Welcome back, guys, again. Finally, we'll be talking about the last type of operator I'll be explaining in this video, which are membership operators. Yes, I would also like to explain identity operator. Yes, but for the sake of clarity, I would try to extend that to when we start talking about other data types like dictionary sets and all the others, because the concept of identity operator will be best understood when we get to that part. I promise to explain that when we get to advanced data types, right? But for now, the last video, or should I say, the last of the operator series would be on identity operator. And it's going to be very, very short. And what identity, oh, sorry, I said, or identity, rather, I should have said membership operators. And what are membership operators? Membership operator is just to check that is this boy in this class? Do you understand? It means to check, it's used to check whether what a value or variable is found in a series or in a sequence. For example, let me say I have 20 students in a class. What do I want to check? I just want to check is student A a member of what? Of class 1, right? Now, what do I do? Now, let's create a file. Let's create, this file should be called what? Membership. Membership.py. Now, in our membership.py, let's take a very simple example. Now, as what we have before, this will also return what? True or false. And there are two types of membership operator. The first is in, and the second is what? Second is what? Not in. As we said, we want to check if the student is what? Belong to this class, right? Now let me see, we have a variable called what? Should I say, let me call the variable name, or should I say greet? Greet should be equals to what? Hello, right? Now I want to print what is H in what? Hello or greet. Sorry. What is greet? Greet is what? Hello. I can actually replace greet as what? Hello. You remember it's the same. I'm just assigning it to a variable here. So is H in this sequence? Yes or no? Yes. So we expect that what? This should return us what? True, right? So I can see what? Membership. Sorry. Python membership. PY. Now if I run this, it should return what's true. What if I change this to capital H? In programming, I want us to know something. But let's run this first. It should return what? False. In programming, capital letter H is not the same as what? Small letter h. Uppercase H is different from what? Uppercase what? Sorry, it's different from lowercase what? H. We need to take note of that. So this is not. This is a different character of its own. So this is all about membership. So if I do not in, not in should return what? True. Because you know that capital H is not in this series. It's not in this class. Do you understand? So this is like an overview of what membership operators. I hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy it, kindly comment. And if you have any question, you can reach out on the comment section and I'll respond as soon as possible. Thank you for your time. Hope to see you in the next video.